One stock that's benefited is UiPath, up some 8% in that time, while the S&P 500 is up just 1%. The software company has been using AI in its growth strategy for some time and says it should benefit as artificial intelligence integration becomes more common in business. Let's bring in UiPath co-CEO Robert Enslin. Robert, thanks for being on with me today.
Thanks,
break down UiPath's use of artificial intelligence and what regenerative AI and all this talk and flurry around chatbots actually means in terms of future possibilities.
Yeah, look, we think AI is going to transform how businesses innovate in different industries and enterprises. And at UiPath, we've been utilizing AI for many, many years now. And so now AI is to the fore when how business can actually utilize it to actually drive and deal with digital disruption. One of our customers, Paychecks, as an example, dealing with 40 million emails a year. And our AI technology is able to drive and understand each email and create actions upon that email. And that's the same as the financial sector with UBS and Farfetch on how they drive it. When you look at AI, we definitely have to also see that we are focused on security, guardrails, and putting that. And we've been doing that for many years as well. We have a policy of using OpenAI and many other open technologies in our AI platform. We think that the time has come where innovation will be at an all-time high in how companies deal with innovation in the future.
I mean, there is a lot of talk about the need for guardrails and security. The fact that you've already been implementing a playbook, I guess give me some specifics about that playbook and whether you've had to or are going to have to rethink some of those rules of the road, if you will, as this technology continues to evolve.
Yeah, we're continually looking at that. But if you look at the guardrails and regulation and security around the world, many of these are in place today for enterprises, how enterprise operates, where the data needs to be stored, how we look at the data, where our customers want their data to have access. So it's up to our customers to determine where they access the data. And it's up to us to make certain that we secure it in a way that they understand it. So that's how we look at security, the guardrails in an open and flexible environment.
Let's talk a little bit about client demands, because on the one hand, many companies are tightening their belts and pulling back on their spending and their CapEx. And on the other hand, they're looking to increase productivity and profitability too. Are you seeing more demand or slowing in demand?
Look, we see an opportunity to help customers navigate this massive levels of disruption that they're dealing with today. Our customers are really focused on saving costs, driving efficiency, dealing with saving time, and being able to figure out how do they actually deal with digital disruption, which is happening every week. Our technology is built to deal with those kind of episodes with customers in a very, very short period of time. If you look at our fourth quarter, we had a record number of deals above $1 million. We also had record revenue over $309 million. So we feel really good about how AI is driving automation, and together the human, machine, and automation is really changing how companies have an opportunity to deal with this macroeconomic situation that we all are facing today. Uber, as an example, is utilizing our technology as the growth came back to streamline the operations, streamline the global operations, and ensure that they are compliant. With regulatory compliance. So many customers are benefiting from what we're doing with automation and AI together.
Yeah, it's a conversation we'll continue to have. Rob Enslin, thank you for joining me today, the co-CEO of UiPath.
Thank you, Morgan.